Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the office setup. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Say goodbye to overly high desks. With a 3.5 cm low base, the height can be adjusted from 25.59 inch to 38.58, which that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Closer, comfier use. Designed with a 6 degrees angled column and H-base, this portable desk can slide 12.6 inch into sofas. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Compact and lightweight desk, equipped with a 21.65-inch LX15 WMDF tabletop, 33% smaller than standard, can fit under. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it very sturdy. I can work from my laptop sitting on my couch. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.